Yeah. LC. Lunet. Check. Yeah. Charlie, there's don't tell about y'all too much. Yo, GA's very own DOA. Bringing rap into the system, know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Hip hop. Yo, and yo, still I rule. This rap deal, I they underline them. Cats I kill for real, I number 9 them. Fellas wanna picture me still like colorblind them. Put me in a mental asylum. My flow mad, so bad, I'm out my brains. I go drown any fella who tryna brown like James. I'm the perfect definition of dictator. Murder any freaking competition coming round my way. I bring the pain like Teddy, insane like Freddy. Fellas want game, but they ain't quite ready. Spit flames, switch lanes in a plain white Chevy. I take flight. You better hit the brake lights heavy, I know. I see them steady tryna aim at my level, but I maintain. Charlie, I bass, what be the treble? I'm a rebel, I'm sick, so you better stop breathing. My flow can make you catch a cold in a hot season. Hold up. Yo, you know it's high time people sat down to listen to real music. Oh, we talking about. Let's go. I be like, hocus pocus, foes, I dispose them. Treat them like a turkey on Thanksgiving. Roasted, hottest male rapper, that be why they can be posted. Come up on my bread, you toasted. No BS, yes, I'm heavy with foresight. Not Jeremy, on the melody, mentally fella needs therapy. Sick, but at the same time I be the remedy. Hating only elevates jealousy. I see them, yes, them all vex me. Fellas won't test me, deadly. Flows got me feeling like the Red Sea. Hot shoe, God bless me, yes, they keep me posted. Better odd best when you address me. I got game, put me on a PlayStation. Fellas for the backstage chasing. Haters stay hating, but me I stay racing. Amazing, heavy on the tracks, I could drop a train station. Hold up. Bass in Studio 309. Q. Sniff, smoke, I see y'all. Get a rap.